Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating a simple game that I designed in Python, and there's going to be a series of videos in which I will show you how to go and create a fully functional game. This game that I created doesn't have a scoring system as of yet. I would be adding it eventually, but I would be running a full course of this Python game development. It will be around 5 to 6 videos. What will be covered during that time is how to get a background for your game window, and how to load your sprites, and how to animate or move your sprites automatically, how you control your sprites using your keyboard input or even the mouse input, and how the scoring system is achieved. And you could go and get creative. On the top of that, you can go and add many features to your game and then complete it. So first of all, I wanted to go and demonstrate how I have created this game using Python idle, and then I have used a library called Pygame functions. So from Pygame functions I have imported everything, and I will also go through the Pygame functions eventually, but I'll just go run this little game here. When I run the game here, the shell window opens up, and then after that my game window opens, and here window that open. In the game window I had a background of a space image, and then I had these enemy ships coming from the top, that's coming from the mothership, and then there's a defender down the bottom which is firing the rockets, and there's a collision collision detection. So based on the collision detection, it is eliminating the enemy sprites. So with no further delay, let's start looking at how we would go and design. I'll go step by step. As I told you before, the first step is to get the background for your game, and then set the game window size, the width and the height. Then later I'll show you how to go and load one each sprite, and after loading one each sprite, we will look at the sprite animation of how the in the previously I showed you in the game window, the spaceships were the enemy ships were moving from top to bottom automatically, and how that was done. And I was controlling the defending ship using the keyboard, the arrow keys. So how that is done, and finally we'll be looking at the score system. So that's pretty much it, and let's get started with our game designing in Python.